Hi guys, it's me and Lisa from Burping Girls. We are so sorry that we haven't been able to do videos lately. Meanwhile, got into some trouble, and she can't come over here, can't go over there. So, we can't do the videos, but also I can't do the 0.5 videos either, because I just got my camera stolen. Someone robbed my house, and I got a bunch of shit stolen. But a different issue, I fucking hate those stupid bastards that stole our shit. It wasn't one person though, because not much stuff was stolen. But I got my PSP stolen too. What else? I'm so sorry we did not do our 1 year video as we planned. Once we see each other, we will certainly do the 1 year video. And to celebrate our 1 year, yay, we got 1 year finally. Whatchamacallit? For right now, can you just watch our other videos and comment, subscribe, rate? It will be very nice of you guys to do that, because we can't do any videos right now. The reason why, how I am able to do this video is I took my sister's camera right now. Just real quick do this, but I can't do the burping videos because they take a bit longer. Also, what else? Yeah, if you guys do that. And also, I'll try to do 0.5 videos, and hopefully Willow can do 0.5 videos so we can keep doing the burping girls. And also, can you please add us on MySpace? We have our own burping girls website. It'll be right there. I hopefully can do that. And I think it's www.myspace.com/burping-girls. Please add us. And the email is AnnaBeber1@yahoo.com. It'll be right there. ANNEBEBBER1@yahoo.com. Please add us to support us. Also, the reason why I'm talking like this is because I got my tongue pierced on a Saturday. Today's Tuesday. Still a little bit swollen. The swelling went down too, so yesterday it was it was funny though. Well, you can watch our videos, our other videos, comment, subscribe, rate. Tell your other friends about us. And once our new videos come, please watch us. And ask on MySpace. Love you guys. Bye.